Do you know? You were gifted with a superhuman bodyguard upon your arrival on this planet. As you grew, this bodyguard grew with you. This guard lives with you 24/7, does not take a paycheck, does not seek sick leave, or even take a weekend off. Right, I'm talking about your body's immunity system. This system battles constantly with every germ that makes its way into your body. Although immunity system is always sincere to the fullest to protect your body from intruders, sometimes they will be thankful to get a little help from you. Besides, the more you get old and the more you torture your body with bad habits, it leaves a bad effect on immunity system. I mean, like not working out, smoking, drinking, only devouring junk foods one after another, and forgetting veggies. Scientists of Harvard University says giving up smoking, heavy and regular drinking, good eating habit, getting proper sleep are a must. For one can start with small changes to build a healthy immunity system. In this video, I will show you some easy, cheap, and delicious juices that you can take on a regular basis to boost the power of your immunity system. So before we dive deeper, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell and watch the video until the end. So, let's begin our video. Number 1. Apple, carrot, and orange. The combination of these items offers a helping hand to your immunity system. These ingredients are very available. Probably you have all these in your refrigerator right now. Apart from boosting your guards against unwanted outsiders, regular sips on this juice can make your look glow. This juice is packed with vitamins A, B6, C, potassium, and folic acid. For better results, you are advised to choose green apples instead of red sweet ones. Number 2. Orange and grapefruits. Both orange and grapefruits are great sources of vitamin C, a vitamin that provides antioxidant to your body. Antioxidants protect your body cells from damaging substances. If your body lacks enough vitamin C, then there will be a delay in healing wounds. It would also be less effective in properly fighting infections, and the immune response would be impaired. Apart from vitamin C, this juice also offers plenty of zinc and folic acid. Number 3. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are not only for sauces on your pizza. Put some inside the blender today, or strain it using your own hands. Seasoning the juice with salt and black pepper will also add to the taste. Full of vitamin A and C, folate, and iron, tomato juice can give your immune system a boost it needs. It can also freshen your mood and taste buds. Number 4. Kale, tomato, and celery. Kales are a must-have for most green juices these days. Blend these individual veggies and then combine the juices you want. For serving an additional anti-inflammatory purpose, you can also add horseradishes. Apart from vitamin A and C and iron, this juice also offers magnesium, potassium, necessary fatty acids. Number 5. Beet, carrot, ginger, and turmeric. If you are having a bad time with flu or mild cold symptoms such as coughs, runny nose, and body aches, this juice is a godsend for you. It fights to cure the infection that has been causing such misery. The ginger and turmeric offer their particular anti-inflammatory qualities and also give this juice a distinct taste. This juice is also an excellent source of vitamin E and calcium. Number 6. Strawberry, kiwi, and mint. Both strawberries and kiwis are packed with vitamin C. You can also turn these fruits into a smoothie instead of a juice. Adding some Greek yogurt will also make it more pleasant to taste because of the creaminess and make it healthier because of the protein. A combination of diet, exercise, your attitude towards things in life, reducing stress, an overall healthy lifestyle, can keep your immunity system strong and running even during the later years of life. So that's all for today. You should start with one drink at a time and rotate drinks based on your choice. So if you guys liked my video, please let me know in the comments section. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.